So yun po ata yung unique talaga sa Golden Scenery Tomorrow. And then sa amin lang po ata yung may high school scene. So mas madami po parang kulitan, fun, or parang nakakatawang mga eksena. Feel ko yun po yung kaibahan ng book namin sa kanila.
And in all fairness po kay Guay, yung writer, si Guay Saludes, nung ginawa niya, yung pagkakagawa niya po ng buong university series, kada book, kada series, iba po talaga yung storya. Iba yung issues na tinatackle, iba yung conflict, iba yung hugot ng bawat karakter. So, I wouldn't say na lahat ng story, lahat ng libro magkakapareho. Kasi lahat talaga iba-ibang topic, iba-ibang storyline, iba-ibang mga issues and ano nila. Pero yun nga, dito po sa Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, yun, number one, yung may establish yung high school life. So meron high school, may college, tapos magkakaroon pa ng present. Tapos, more barkada scenes, kasi I think in the previous books, we weren't able to see that much of the barkada scenes na eh. Aside from the book 1, yung Rey en España. Pero dito, ayun, yung kulitan, yung fun, yung youth, mararamdaman mo talaga, yung high school life mo, ganyan. And siguro yung isa pang na, it's very relevant, especially here in the Philippines, diba? Yung mga love team culture, cancel culture, yung mga ganon. Doon matatackle din dito sa librong to. Yun po. Thank you po.
Salamat.